already shared as to how you can catch these particular moves at market open. Of course, there's a video of me taking this particular trade, a short clip. Just check it out here on YouTube. It's a video before this one. I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. And if you look nicely, we have a trend line there. Okay, we have a trend line which might act as a little bit of a barrier, but should we break the trend line, I will look to add another position. Break in the retest, I will look to add another position as I have indicated. I'm gonna pause it a little bit so that we can see the next move. Let me pause. Right, quick update. It hasn't moved much. I'm now looking at it from 15 minutes, and yes, price is attempting to actually push up. If you look at our target, it's still pretty much almost halfway from our target. However, there isn't much that is taking place, and there's different things that we can do, especially now that price have moved 1:1. We can start managing our profits. Okay, now that price have moved a little bit far away from our entry, we can start managing our profits, and we can actually do it by moving a stop or using a trailing stop. Okay, here's a trick. This is what we've been waiting for. With a trailing stop, don't use the numbers that you see here that the broker is suggesting. Dial your own numbers. Your number can be 25% greater. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna just dial 1000 because the broker didn't suggest 1000. Okay, don't use the numbers that appears as a suggestion. Hey, English. Hey, like the video. My English is running away. This is 1000. this is 1000. So because the broker didn't suggest that, I'm gonna pull 1000 so that the trailing stop doesn't move fast. I'm not gonna take what the broker is suggesting. I'm gonna dial my own numbers. Okay, so you can see now the stop loss, the trailing stop rather, it's starting to react. It's gonna move nicely as the market moves up. It's gonna move as if a human being is moving it. Okay, let's see if price breaks that high. It's gonna move again. Yes, it broke. It's gonna move. I don't want to do those commentary that people usually say it's going up, and right now it's like I'm sounding like them. That's why I don't like doing videos where I'm actually trading. So I prefer to trade and not record videos, because I'm gonna sound like it's going up, guys. I told you guys, we don't want to do that. Okay, let's keep it cool. As it moves already, it doesn't matter if it goes back, because we are at break even. Remember, as soon as it breaks that trend line, I'm gonna add another position. There we go, it jumped again. The trailing stop, it's moving nicely because we selected a much bigger trailing stop. We didn't go with what the broker was saying. We selected 1000. You can select 25% more than the maximum that the broker is suggesting. You can suggesting, or 20%. Okay, you can actually use that. If you still don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I will more a dedicated video to that. If you'd like me to do the similar video on Monday, like this, Tuesday, Wednesday, just like that for 5 days, I can do it. We take these trades together. Whether they fail, whether they go in our favor, we're still going to post. I'm not ashamed of that. Okay, so yes, it's moving. Eventually we're gonna get stopped out with this one, because price it's finding some sort of resistance. That is where the trend line is. You remember the trend line from the beginning of the video? That is where the trend line is. We're finding a little bit of resistance, and we're most likely to get stopped out around this point. So let's just see. I'm waiting for that, because I can see this looks like we're gonna get stopped out, but we've already made around about 2%, so that's not a big deal. The stop loss is no longer moving because price is failing to break. Okay, we're gonna find another trade. If this one gets stopped out, I'm gonna take a trade whereby it will be a continuation of this reversal move, but it will be a breakout trade of some sort from the trend line. That if I see that opportunity, I will only take it if I find that opportunity. Hopefully I don't forget to record the video so that you understand. So this is how I will approach the 15:30 on a normal trading day. Okay, with risk management in place, trailing stops and all that. Let's see if it gets stopped out as usual. Let's go. Subscribe now before it gets stopped out. Just click that subscribe if you've watched up to here. Let's see. Man, you must move the stop loss. There we go. Done. we've already locked in that 2%. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can find another opportunity that I can take. Okay, we are not fighting, we are looking for an opportunity. If it breaks the trend line and retest, quick retest, I'm definitely going to take that. Let's pause the video once more, see if we can find that opportunity. All right. Okay, the opportunity, unfortunately, like I said, I forgot to actually record the video of me taking the actual trade, but you can see it finally broke the trend line, and I was able to add another trade. It's not too far away from the target. Hopefully we'll be able to move our target nicely. If you like this video, just more a like. I might close this. It's there on the take profit. I can close. Yeah, when I am closing, it's on the take profit. Hey, what? Yeah, hit. It's missing that. I'm gonna close it anyway. It's just there, and we've managed to make more than what we were looking for. So we've made our daily profits or whatever the case might be. Then we are done. Sharp.